today's video, we are, as usual, unboxing a vacuum cleaner. But this vacuum cleaner is a little bit exciting because although it's a model that we've seen a lot on my channel, it's a colour that we haven't. So let's see if it survived its trip through the British postal system, get it assembled and see what it's like. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? I've changed the room around, in case you hadn't noticed. I need to get a new sofa though, because the corner kick is a little bit annoying. But we shall not worry about that today. We are going to unbox this vacuum cleaner, do the usual, and see what it needs. This is another one from my good friend who has sent us a lot of vacuum cleaners on this channel to be refurbished, and here is another one. Now this model, a little bit of a clue there, is a very rare colour, as in the only ones that I've ever seen are in collections. The ones that turn up on eBay are incredibly tatty. It is a machine with a rose bag. Yes, a rose bag with possibly an inner bag. Yes, of course, it's from my friend who fits nice SIBO bags to his machine. So again, this bag, oh no, wait, it will need a bit of a clean. Unlike the other ones, it obviously has been used before he converted it with a naughty paper bag. There's nothing naughty about paper bags, but nowadays in 2020 we can work against that. So yes, it is an early type of this bag because there is no zip along the back. Bit of a, well, you know what it is because it's in the video description. It is a 1334, but in rose gold. Look at that, the rose gold handle grip. It's also got something which I have seen before on Juniors, and it is a protector. There, obviously, when the bag is fitted, this bangs against there and obviously causes the handle paintwork to suffer greatly, but this is in excellent order. I think the whole machine is not, too bad. It just needs some cleaning. Now I've seen this plug before. I've had it a few times. It is what they call an accessible plug. So obviously, if you can't grip a plug, you can hoik it out. However, it is a NAC plug. There we go. Look, NAC, made in England, and we have the lovely rose gold cable here in all of its rose gold glory. Let's pop you to one side. Got a lot more space to sort of chuck stuff out of shop now. I quite like it. Might have to do a tour. So let us unwrap this bubble wrap. This packaging is recycled as well because it is the same box and the same packaging that I sent a machine back recently. And I'll be honest, with a couple more that he wants doing, so we'll probably see this box again. Oh, we're nearly there. The last layer, and here she is. In flipping good order. There are a few scratches to the hood in the corner, but you would ruin this machine if you decided to try and sort that out in any way apart from polish it. Appears to have a white, lifted off, belt guard though. Not entire, it's a genuine Hoover. I don't actually know if these would have come, I thought they came with a rose gold front, but hey ho. Yeah, let me bring you a bit closer. We'll have a look at the machine in more detail. Here we go. So yes, as mentioned, there are only a few cosmetic issues, and to be fair, a lot of that will polish down The machine itself is in excellent order. This is a metal hooded Hoover Junior 1334, as the earlier ones are. And I'm wondering if it appears on my list of up to 1959 machines. KL 46, it's after, so it is post January 1959, probably in the 60s. Obviously you can't date these. I don't have the service manuals with all of the bits and bobs required to really see what these are. So there's that. Underneath, it's not too bad. Brush roll needs, oh, I just popped the belt off. Brush roll needs a paint. The brush strips, although they're not long, they are very plush, which, you know, is half of the battle. Let's take the wiring cover off and see what the state is under here. I can already see fluff poking out of the sides. Wow! Yeah. Oh, goodness. Although it's been desuppressed, so that is one thing, but yeah, this hasn't been off in a fairly long while. Looking at that, the wiring is in superb order. Nothing needed there apart from a really good clean to get all of this muck and rubbish out of it, which is why we have it, isn't it? Oh, let's get the worst out. I'm not going to bother with Benchy today. It's not fully needed. We'll just get the worst of the fluff out. It's possibly also, actually, with that loose clip there going to rattle, we'll just tweak that up a little bit. I'll remove it in the refurb, but do that. The height adjustment works like that on these older models. Bless its little heart. This we can fix really easily. If that's the sum total of what is wrong with this machine, I'm very confident indeed that we can work some of the Beko magic that you all know and some of you love, and have this machine running right once again. I mean, it probably runs okay now. Knowing this person, the owner, you know, it's not going to be horrific. Normally they're just dry. So let us remove the handle bolt on the bottom. As I say, I don't think this machine is going to need any paint at all, which is very nice, which is very handy as well, because it's not a complete white colour, if that makes sense. It's an off-white. And I know that some people, Mr. Gareth Sheen, if you're a collector, you'll know of Mr. Gareth. He's had paint made, because obviously, you know, he's got a friendly car parts store that don't laugh at him when he takes vacuum cleaners in to be paint matched. Problem is, Mr. Gareth is in South Africa, so it's a bit pointless asking if he can, you know, oh, just, if I give you some money, could you send me a doodah, a can of paint, because it would literally cost hundreds of pounds. So, fortunately, we have to make do with what we have, and I do not like painting these because the colour match I just cannot do. Let's finish that. One day I should probably look. There's probably a paint mixer place near me. If you're local, if you know Aylesbury, or I suppose Oxford or Wickham, and you know, you think there'd be someone near me, please do comment below. We shall see. So there we go, the handle is on. It's never difficult. This style of Junior, rather than having the rubber way of doing it, it has the metal fitment. And that goes on, and then you do this screw up, and it clamps the bag mechanism onto the flange very nicely indeed. And we'll pop that on there like so. Other early 1334 things to note: it has the different style of on-off switch rather than the little, you know, button. It's got a little lever, and crikey, that's probably about it. I didn't change the design too much. Up here I have a plug. Let us see what this sounds like. Well, there's a good thing at the motor because I had the belt on wrong. There we go. So the motor isn't too bad actually. It's got oodles of airflow. Oh. I would say its main problem is dried out bearings, both brush roll and motor. Let's try it on the slightly thinner pile carpet. It's a fair bit happier on this. It's just dry and tired. God, sounds like a woman I once dated. So hopefully it's just going to be a nice simple take it apart and pop it back together job. But I've never had a rose gold senior or junior because obviously they did the matching senior for this. In fact, they did a matching constellation and you've seen it on this channel. I do still have it. I haven't started that yet, so I think I should work the two in tandem for sure, although actually no, because the constellation I've got is a scrapper. We'll see. I'll get it out to put it with it because I'll never have two of them again. These are very rare and very valuable. They do crop up on eBay from time to time, but they go for what I would class as silly amounts of money. To other people, it's possibly quite reasonable. But there we go. It is together. It is dull, it needs a polish. Not 110% sure about this belt cover, although it doesn't look bad. It looks better than a brown one or an orange one or something else. It is a genuine Hoover, so it possibly is correct. I shall look it up after finishing this video, which is happening about now because it's together, it works. The next time you see this, it will look a lot cleaner, it will run a lot smoother, and hopefully be back as it would have been, crikey, almost 60, 70 years ago. There we go. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment if you have a rose gold Hoover Junior. Would love to hear about them. If you can date it, let me know, although I could probably sort that out with a bit of a Facebook post. And yeah, comment with your Hoover Junior stories. We like the Hoover Junior, don't we? So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. And I and this Hoover Junior will see you soon. Bye bye.